What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing JAX from the amazing digital circus. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw the bottom edge of the eyes. Now we want to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and then down towards the left. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing, going up and then down. Let's go all the way back over towards the left side. We're going to draw a half circle going up towards the top of the eye and then pull that down on the inside. Now on the inside of the eyes, we're going to step out, draw a short line coming down. Let's go all the way out towards the center of the eye, draw a straight line coming down the outside of the pupils. Now I want to fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw the top half of the head. From the left eye, let's step out and go up, round at the head, go across, and then down on the right side. Let's go back to the left side and draw the bottom of the head. So we're drawing a large oval, going down, across, and then up. Now just underneath the eyes, we're going to draw a curve, starting from the left side, come down the middle, and back up across the top of the mouth. And then from the corners of the mouth, we're going to bend this down and then in towards the bottom of the head. Let's separate the teeth, starting in the center with one straight line coming down. Let's move out to the side, draw an angled line coming down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to move all the way up to the top and draw on the ears. Let's leave a gap in the center, start over on the left, bend this up, and then out. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's round out the tip of the ear. Come in. Now I want to taper the ear so it gets narrower as you come back in towards the top of the head. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the neck. Leaving a gap in the center, draw two short lines coming down. Angle the shoulders coming down and then out towards the side. Now from the shoulders, draw two straight lines coming down towards the hip. Let's go back up to the top, step in, draw two lines coming down the side. Close off the bottom. Now I'm going to move up and draw a straight line going across the middle. Let's add two small buttons along the bottom of each strap. Now we're going to draw a rectangle in the center of the body for the pocket. Start with a straight line across the top. Come straight down towards the bottom. And we'll flatten this off. Let's move down in the middle. Draw a straight line going across. Leave a gap in the center. Go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left side, we're going to bend the foot, coming down and then up. Now we're going to go back to the outside, draw the top of the foot. We want to bend this up, come in, and then bend that down just up above the heel. And then we want to separate the toes with two curves. Starting from the outside, bend this up and in, step in, draw that again. Do the same thing over on the right. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start from the left. We're going to bend this out and then come down on top of the foot. Just above the foot, we're going to add a curve, coming in and then down. Now we're going to go back up to the shoulders. We're going to bend the arms, going out and then down towards the wrist on both sides. Let's round out the wrist. Now I want to follow that same curve, going up and then in towards the side of the body. Let's wrap that thick cuff around the wrist. We're going to step up on the outside, draw an oval, going all the way around and just tucking that in. Let's go to the inside of the cuff, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and up around the bracket, step down, go out, and then up with the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around towards the outside of the cuff. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw JAX from the amazing Digital Circus. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.